Good morning, first, second, and third block. This is Miss Winsley, and this video is especially for you. That way, those of you that get a little bit confused and things are lost in translation from what I write down for the sub to what you hear, let there be hands down for evermore, no confusion. Why? Because we have this trusty video. So let's go ahead and get started. Literally what I'm going to do is walk you through the rest of class, there will be no confusion about what I want from you and what I expect for you to do. So let us go through the agenda. By now you should have already taken attendance, and you should have also have been working on vocabulary.com. So here we go. I'm going through today's agenda. As you can see, what is for tomorrow, aka Monday. Enjoy your weekend. Study for your vocab set 3 quiz. If you, study for your vocab set 3 quiz. All right. So right now you should have been working on vocabulary.com. Let us go ahead and turn in your gap writing assignment number 1. Turn in your corrections in your basket. Here's how I would like for you to turn them in. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to take a stapler remover. You're going to remove the staple from the sheet. Then you're going to restaple it with your corrections, your rubric, and your essay. I don't care the order, but just make sure you have all 3 of those, and you're going to place them in your blocks basket. Also, if you were out yesterday, go ahead and pick up any work from yesterday from the absent drawer, and go ahead and review yesterday's agenda in regards to your essay corrections, because you probably have no idea what I'm talking about. If you were out yesterday, you are going to need a peer to explain it, what you need to do for that, and then you will turn in your essay corrections on Monday. So go ahead and pause me and go ahead and take about 5 minutes to turn in your essay corrections. Pause me now. All right, moving on. Right now, everybody needs to get ready to take their vocab set number 3 quiz. So take out your study cards, pull up your study method, and let's get ready to take your vocabulary set number 3 quiz. There are 20 questions, and you have 35 minutes. It's on the matching set of set 3, of course, and set 2, and you have a couple questions from set 2. When you are done with your vocabulary quiz, as it says, use that remaining time, if you have any, to finish your gap writing assignment and turn it in. Now, before you start the vocabulary quiz, let's go ahead and walk through how to turn in your gap 2 writing assignment. So you should be right here in Google Classroom, upper left-hand corner. Now, it says due tomorrow on the video because I'm recording this last night, but it should say due today, 4:30. You're going to click on that. From there, you're going to scroll down. When you're ready, you're going to click Add Google Drive. Do not click Create. Ms. Davidson, please go around and make sure they do not click Create. You want to make sure that they click Add. Ms. Davidson will be walking around and monitoring. So if she sees you, 1, not on your vocabulary quiz, or 2, not working on your gap writing assignment when you're done, she will immediately write your name down. She will immediately text me, and I will immediately go online and do an incident referral. So please make sure you are doing the right thing. Also, I know she already said it, but today, just to keep down confusion, no headphones. If you guys do well today with no headphones, I will allow them on Monday. You need them anyway, but for your other non-headphone stations, I'll allow it. All right, so pause me. Everybody go ahead and click on link number 4, and let's go ahead and take your vocabulary quiz. Go ahead and pause me now. Welcome back. So by now, everybody has finished their vocabulary quiz, and you have either turned in your gap writing assignment or you're in the process of finishing it. Either way, that's fine. All right, the next thing we're going to do is that you are going to get into your assessment groups for Power Standard number 2. So let's walk through once again what you will be doing with this. So Power Standard number 2, not quite theirs yet. You're going to skip the reteach. I'm not there. So you're going to start with station 2, 3, and 5. Boost Me's, you're going to do stations 2, 4, 5, and 6. Level Ups, you're going to do 4, 6, 5, and 3. So let's take out your Power Standard 2, making inference and drawing conclusions worksheet. Not quite theirs. On the back page, you need to circle 2, 3, and 5. Boost Me's, you need to circle 2, 4, 5, and 6. Level Ups, you should circle 4, 6, 5, and 3 in that order. Moving on. Everybody go back to Google Classroom, and you're going to click on link number 5. And it looks like this. Once Miss Davidson calls me and she puts you in your learning groups, you're going to proceed to the following. You're going to do the following steps. So, Level Ups, you're going to click on this file, and you're going to proceed, scroll down to page 2. Boost Me's, you're going to click on the same file, link number 5, and you're going to scroll down to page 3. Not quite there yet. You're going to click on link 5, and you're going to scroll down to the last page. Level Ups, you have 4 activities. You're first going to start with the scavenger hunt. Read the instructions for the scavenger hunt. You'll get up, you'll walk around the room, answer all 10 questions. Then you'll go to station 5. Then you'll proceed back to your seat, and then do station 5 activities, clicking on the links 1, 2, and 3. Then you will, still staying in your section, go to station 6, at which point you will do the USA test prep activities. And then your last station is the anchor activity sheet, where you'll answer part A, part B, part C on the back of the document. Now you notice here 4, 5, 6, and 3. That corresponds with sections 4, 5, 6, and 3 on the back of your worksheet. Make sure you record all your answers. Boost Me Up. You have review first. So you're going to click on the link. It's going to present you a video. The video is 14 minutes in length, but as you are review, you will watch the video until you have a full understanding, then proceed to the next activity. The video is going to give you some notes for about the first 5 minutes. Jot down some of the basic information in the notes. Then it'll give you some practice exercises with some text. You need to watch me do some of those practice exercises and write down the answers. So in your number 2 box, I'm looking for notes, and I'm looking for where you've written down the answers to the practice questions. Once you're done with the video, then you will complete the next activity, writing your answers down in section 2 of your worksheet. Then you'll proceed to the scavenger hunt. Then you'll come back to your seat, online interactive activities, number 5, number 6. Not quite there yet. You are going to skip the reteach. You're going to go straight to number 2. You will also view the Review It video. However, as you are not quite there yet, you must view the entire video. Then you will complete the Power Standard number 2, Time to Try It. After that, as a group, you'll work on the Anchor activity sheet, Part A, Part B, Part C, and then in your seats, you'll proceed to Station 5, completing the online activities, making sure you are jotting down your answers in your box, in the appropriate box, box 2, box 3, box 5. All right, so Miss Davidson is getting ready to pause me. She is going to put you in your groups. You're going to group up the desks, group up 6 desks. So there should be 4 sets of 6 desks. Levelups will be at a 6 table. Boost Me's will be split at 2 of the 6 tables, and then Not Quite Theirs will be at another set of 6 tables. Depending on the block, you could have 2 tables of Not Quite There Yet or 2 tables of Boost Me's. It really just depends on the block. Second and third block, remember, you've already done one of your stations. You should proceed to your second station. So second and third block, you've already done your first station. Levelups, you've done 4. Boost Me's and Not Quite There Yet, so you've done number 2. So now you're moving on to your second station. You'll finish 2, 3, and 4. First block, you need to get through all 4 stations. You guys will have 16, 17 minutes to migrate through each station. Plenty of time. If you finish all of your stations and there still is at least 15 minutes in class, you will then take your summative assessment, which is link number 6. Once you've taken your summative assessment and you still have time in class, you can then use the remaining time in that class to work on and turn in your Gap Writing 2 assignment. Now, this assignment, as you can see, has a due time of 4:30 today. I am out of town until Sunday night. I will not be printing these until Monday afternoon. Now, yes, so if you turn it in after 4:30, it's still okay. But let me go over how you want to turn it in late, because at 4:30, it will disappear from this box. So if you log in at 4:31, you won't see this anymore. What you're going to have to do is you have to click View All, and it'll pull up what you need to do. Or you can click on Topics, Gap Writing Assignment. This is a fail-safe in case you are late. Do not share it with me. You have to turn it in via Google Classroom. This video, you have a link to it if you need to go back and rewind it. If Ms. Davidson needs to go back and rewind and redo all the instructions again, please do, but don't take up a lot of class time. You have to get through your stations for Power Standard 2 today. All right, that's all I have. Have a great Friday. Have a great weekend. And we'll do this same process on Monday.